soft light glows. Two hearts stand still as the moment flows. A trembling breath as he lifts the lake, revealing truth in her gentle face. No more shadows left to hide, only honesty standing side by side. The veil falls light as a whispered vow, letting their real self surface now. In the unveiling, where truth steps through, two souls open to something new. Nothing hidden, nothing disguised, just honest love in each other's eyes, breaking the walls that once stood tall, letting their real hearts say it all. With the veil gone, the world feels clear. Promises echo soft and near. No illusions drifting in between, only the beauty of being seen. Each step forward asks them to show what they feel and what they know. Fear dissolves when the truth appears, replacing doubt with a future sincere. In the unveiling, where truth steps through, two souls open to something new. Nothing hidden, nothing disguised, just honest love in